The word public in public administration refers to government. That means in the subject of public administration, we study about government's administration. Yes, you are right. That means you can study and learn about government's administration even before you become a part of that administration. Hello, my name is Dr. Vivek Kaushik and I am a faculty for optional public administration at Vajiram and Ravi. In the subject of public administration, we prepare you for a career in Indian administration as a civil servant. The importance of the subject can be understood by the fact that many commissions and committees have recommended to make public administration as a compulsory part of general studies. In public administration, we also study a lot of portions of general studies which have overlap. For example, polity and governance, internal security, disaster management, economics, and administrative ethics. Come join us and learn this fun subject on 6th of October, 11 AM, and that is when we are starting a new batch. To know more, scan the QR code below. Until then, bye-bye.